If your LG Magic Remote won't connect to your LG TV, the solution could be a simple reset. Of course, try some fresh batteries first. But if that doesn't work, then the remote might already be synced to another TV or has a connection problem. To reset the remote, simply press and hold the home and back buttons together. When the power button flashes 3 times, the Magic Remote will be unpaired. Now locate the center scroll wheel. When I press it, the remote will begin registering with the TV, and in a few seconds it'll connect. Now all the functionality of the Magic Remote will be restored. And just so you know, the instructions shown in this video will work with both the older and newer models. So give the reset a try and it should fix all your connection problems. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.